In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to play World Cup Fantasy. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of FIFA, launch your preferred browser, type in play.fifa.com/fantasy. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now click on the profile icon. If you already have an account, sign in. In case you don't have an account, create one. After you log in, you will be directed to this kind of page. The game gives you 100 million budget to build your squad. You need to select 15 players total, 2 goalkeepers, 5 defenders, 5 midfielders and 3 forwards. Your goal is to pick players who will perform well across the tournament and earn you the most fantasy points. After building your squad, you choose your starting XL and a captain, and your captain earns double points, so pick wisely. You also get bench players who can step in if your starters don't perform. During each match day, you can make substitutions and adjust your lineup based on upcoming games. Now here's where strategy comes in. You can use transfers and boosters throughout the tournament to improve your team. Transfers are limited depending on the stage, so don't waste them early. Boosters like Wildcard or 12-man can help you get massive point boost if you use at the right time. Points are awarded based on real-life performance like goals, assists, clean sheets, saves and overall impact in matches. So the better your players perform in the World Cup, the higher you climb on the leaderboard. And that's it. If you plan your squad carefully, manage your transfers smartly, and use your captain wisely, you can seriously compete with players around the world. If this helped you understand World Cup Fantasy, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.